Welcome to Archroma. My name is Mujtaba Rahim and I am leading this innovative organization as Chief Executive Officer and President since last 8 years. It is my pleasure to take you through the journey of Archroma in Pakistan. Archroma is a Swiss multinational company with a strong heritage of 135 years, taking its lineage from Sandoz way back in 1886, when it was formed in Basel as Kern and Sandoz, mainly manufacturing dyes. In 1995, Clariant came into existence as a result of global spin-off from Sandoz, wherein a specialty chemical business came under its umbrella. Within 2 years, in 1997, Clariant acquired a specialty chemical business of Hoechst. In 2013 was a year of a global change as SK Capitals acquired textile, specialty chemical, paper and emulsion business from Clariant and formed this new company, Archroma. Shortly thereafter, in 2015, Archroma acquired the global textile chemical business of BASF, consolidating the portfolio to serve our valued partners with full range of textile specialties. Moving ahead, in 2018, Archroma strengthened its product line by completing the acquisition of M. Doman with its technical textile business. In 2019, the Stilbene-based optical brightening agents was acquired from BASF India. Today, Archroma is a global diversified provider of specialty chemicals, serving brand and performance textiles, packaging paper, coatings, adhesives and sealant markets. We operate with highly integrated customer-focused platform that delivers a specialized performance and color solutions in over 100 countries. Archroma works with 3,000 employees in 35 countries and has 26 production sites. We touch and color people's life every day, everywhere. And this gives us a huge responsibility. It is our passion to deliver leading innovative solutions, enhancing people's lives and respecting our planet. That is why at Archroma, we operate alongside the principle of the Archroma way to sustainable world, safe, efficient, enhance. It is our nature. We are growing business by leveraging local entrepreneurship and our global organization in a collaborative way. We enable our customers to win their market. We push limits to outperform and we never give up. We deliver specialized performance and color solutions to meet our customers' needs and achieve a fair value of our shareholders and stakeholders in return. Archroma is the market leader operating with 3 main businesses. We are committed to challenging the status quo in the deep belief that it can make its industry sustainable. An approach reflected in our innovations, excellent quality standards, high service level and cost efficiency. I would now like to explain about our 3 main business units. The biggest, brand and performance textile specialties. From fiber to finish, Archroma's brand and performance textile specialties business plays a key role throughout the entire textile supply chain. With special chemicals for pretreatment, dyeing, printing and finishing of textiles, our system solutions enhances the properties of apparel and other textiles in application as diversify as high fashion, home textile, special technical textiles. Second, packaging and paper specialties. Archroma Packaging and Paper Specialties provides expertise in the management of whiteness, coloration, special coatings and strength of all kinds of paper. By combining our focused product range with the application service of our paper experts around the globe. We enhance both the optical and functional properties of packaging paper and tissues. Third, coating, adhesive and sealants. From paints, adhesives and construction to the textile and paper industries, Archroma's coating adhesives for a wide range of application. Literally thousands of satisfied customers have been a witness to the outstanding success of Archroma's Mobilith emulsions since its first patent was obtained in 1912. The fast-paced journey of Archroma in Pakistan has been remarkable. Archroma Pakistan is a subsidiary of Archroma LLC Switzerland and is a public limited company at the stock exchange. Since past 18 years, we are amongst the top 25 companies at stock exchange. Pakistan has the distinction of having two production sites, one in Jamshoro and the other at Lanthi, Karachi. Operating on international standards since 5 decades, we possess quality certification and our offices are Green Office certified by WWF Pakistan. Jamshoro is one of the largest sites within the Archroma world. Archroma Center of Excellence, located at Korangi, Karachi, is a state-of-art R&D laboratory where research is conducted. Product stewardship and technical service is provided to textile industry to meet their regulatory requirement of exports to countries such as REACH in Europe. Our R&D facilities have developed products which are globally patented and have received high recognition around the world. These research products and patents make millions of dollars for Pakistan. Alongside our R&D, Archroma Pakistan has flagship education assistance program wherein we provide 6 weeks internship to textile and chemistry students from academic institutions. We have trained more than 7,000 students to date from various universities. 25% of our interns are female students and entrepreneurs. Archroma Pakistan has built strong academic linkage with academia and work on different projects for the development of textile industry. Memorandum of Understandings have been signed with all leading academic institutions, namely Textile Institute of Pakistan, Karachi, Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro, University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore, National Textile University, Faisalabad, NED University of Engineering and Technology, Karachi, and the latest one with DICE, Textile USA, Distinguished Innovations, Collaboration and Entrepreneurship. Another important milestone is our initiative on water conservation. Our sustainable effluent treatment plant at Jamshoro production site was planned, designed and built by our own engineers in Pakistan and is based on zero discharge. This said plant was inaugurated in December 2013 in the presence of high-profile dignitaries and stakeholders. It is the labor and passion of our dedicated team of professionals. Said plant is spread over an area of 25 acres, consisting of flocculation, equalization, surface aeration, clarification, ultrafiltration, and reverse osmosis to yield colorless, reusable water. Approximately 11,000 liters of clean drinking water is supplied to the neighboring communities absolutely free of cost as Archroma commitment to corporate social responsibility. In this context, we are jointly working with WWF Pakistan on water saving projects within the textile and leather industry. True to our commitment to take on innovation challenges, Archroma developed an alternative system to produce aniline-free denim by innovating aniline-free indigo, Denisol Pure 30 liquid, removing a hazardous impurity, aniline from denim supply chain, we aim to protect workers who produce denim, consumers who wear denim, and the environment with cleaner waterways. Arkroma Pakistan has achieved prestigious award in recognition of its services in management, good manufacturing practices, environmental protection and safety. We aim to continuously raise our performance bar to bring prosperity for our employees, associates, and partners. Thank you.